Join me as I dive into the future of LLY stock and try to predict what's next for this investment. Can I get it right? Eli Lilly, commonly known as LLY, is a giant in the pharmaceutical industry, renowned for its innovative approach to healthcare and extensive portfolio of medications. The company's commitment to developing treatments for a wide range of conditions, from diabetes and obesity to oncology and neurology, positions it as a key player in the market. With a rich history and a strong foundation in research and development, LLY has consistently shown its ability to adapt and evolve, making it a stock of interest for many investors. The pharmaceutical landscape is highly competitive, and LLY faces significant challenges from both established companies and emerging biotech firms. One of the primary concerns for LLY is the impending expiration of patents on some of its top-selling drugs. This could lead to a substantial loss in revenue as generic versions enter the market. Additionally, regulatory hurdles are a constant challenge, as the approval process for new drugs is becoming increasingly stringent. LLY must continuously invest in its pipeline to stay ahead, which can be both costly and risky. Market competition is another critical factor, with several drugs in the same therapeutic areas as LLY's offerings. These challenges are compounded by the looming threat of biosimilars for some of LLY's biologic drugs. Biosimilars, once approved, can quickly gain market share, potentially eroding LLY's market position. The company must navigate these challenges effectively to maintain its growth trajectory. To add to the complexity, LLY is also dealing with increased scrutiny from regulatory bodies regarding drug pricing, which could impact its pricing strategy and ultimately its profitability. Despite these hurdles, LLY has been proactive in addressing them through strategic acquisitions and partnerships, aiming to bolster its pipeline and diversify its offerings. The company has been investing heavily in cutting-edge technologies and innovative therapeutic areas, such as gene therapy and immunotherapy, to stay competitive. Recent developments in LLY's pipeline have been promising, with several drugs in late-stage clinical trials showing significant potential. One of the most anticipated launches is its new diabetes medication, which aims to provide better glucose control with a novel mechanism of action. The success of this and other drugs in its pipeline could be a major catalyst for LLY stock. Additionally, the company's progress in oncology, with new treatments that could offer improved outcomes for patients, has the potential to not only impact lives but also to drive revenue growth. The results from these clinical trials and the subsequent FDA approvals will be crucial in determining LLY's stock performance in the near term. Positive trial results could lead to increased investor confidence and a potential stock price surge. Conversely, any setbacks in the pipeline could have a negative impact. Looking ahead, one of the most significant upcoming events for LLY is the FDA's decision on its new Alzheimer's treatment. This drug has the potential to be a game-changer in the field, addressing a critical unmet need for patients. The decision could come at any time and will likely have a substantial impact on LLY stock. The Alzheimer's treatment market is vast, and LLY is poised to capture a significant portion of it if approved. This could serve as a major turning point for the company, potentially leading to increased revenue and a stronger market position. In conclusion, LLY stock presents a compelling case for investors, with both challenges and opportunities on the horizon. Staying informed about the company's pipeline developments, regulatory decisions, and market dynamics will be essential for making informed investment decisions. If you have any thoughts on LLY stock or its future prospects, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my previous videos on stock analysis for more insights, and I'll see you in the next one.